So in this experiment, you will be making a balloon car. So let's get started. Now, so first, you will need a base. And with this base, you will need a balloon and a slot to make it move. So first, I'm going to put the wheel on there. With the wheels, you will have to do it like this. So I'm going to put glue here and I'm going to stick this. Then I'm going to put a toothpick. So first I'm going to get these two wheels. So now I'm going to put a hole in. You have to make a hole right in the middle like this. Now I'm going to put glue around the wheel. So now I'm going to put this wheel on top. Now I'm going to put a stick in the hole, and you don't press it. You're going to have to find a hole like that. Now I'm going to put this little cardboard here. I'm not going to touch it, but I'm going to stick it there. So why you're going to put this is for the wheel to stay. And if you put glue here, the wheel is not going to load. It's loading. And make sure it doesn't come off. So now I'm going to put this wheel on the base wheel. Now I'm going to put the wheel. Make sure it doesn't come out. So now you're going to do this for all 4 wheels. Like I'm already done making the base here. All 4 wheels. You will need to cut out another base and put it right over here like that. Why you will have to do this? Because after you're done making it, it's going to fall down. So you need something to hold it. So now it's balloon time. So now I'm going to put this balloon here and I'm going to tie it. Once you tie the thread, then you're going to put the tape on it. Just like that. And don't press it. If you press it, the wheels will fall off. Now you're going to blow the balloon like this. Now you're going to let go. Now I will tell you why is it happening. It's because of Newton's third law. Newton's third law says for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So if I push the wall here, I'll just go back. And that's the same thing happening to this balloon car. The air is pushing against the air here, which is making the car go this way, just like this. Now you know how to make a balloon car. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please subscribe on the red button down below. Bye bye.